Most people work harder to get rich, but the real secret is simply stopping what's holding you back. Today, we're exposing 10 habits that most millionaires strictly avoid. But before we start, I need to be honest with you. There are 2 things you're doing every single day that are actively destroying your financial future, and you don't even realize it. First, I'm willing to bet you're waking up between 8 o'clock and 11 o'clock a.m., while many wealthy people are already working toward their goals. Second, you're spending hours scrolling through mindless reels, sharing them with friends, and essentially paying others with your time. And stick around, because somewhere in these 10 habits is one powerful lesson you've probably never thought about before. Yet there's a good chance you're doing it right now. Number 1. They never buy depreciating assets. Many wealthy people understand that cars and luxury gadgets lose value the moment you buy them. Instead, they focus on buying assets that have the potential to grow in value or generate income rather than constantly taking money out of their pockets. Number 2. They never spend more than they earn. This is one of the most important financial principles. No matter how much they earn, many wealthy people choose to live below their means. It's not about how much money you make. It's about the gap between your income and your expenses. Number 3, they never skip long-term planning. While many people only plan for the weekend, successful people often plan for the next 5, 10, or even 20 years. They don't just have wishes, they have a clear roadmap. Number 4, they never surround themselves with constant negativity. Your circle influences your mindset. Many successful people avoid those who constantly complain, make excuses, or drain their energy. Instead, they spend time with people who encourage growth and push them to become better. Number 5, they never ignore financial education. Many wealthy people are constantly learning about money. They study taxes, investing, business, and compound interest. Instead of relying completely on other people, they make an effort to understand how money actually works. Number 6, they never rely on a single source of income. This is the point many people overlook. Most people depend on one paycheck. Many wealthy people build multiple income streams, so if one source slows down, the others can continue supporting them. Diversifying income is one of the habits that often helps create long-term financial stability. Number 7, they never ignore their health. Money means very little if you don't have the health to enjoy it. Many successful people treat their bodies like valuable assets. They prioritize quality sleep, healthy food, regular exercise, and taking care of themselves. Number 8, they never stop learning. Learning doesn't stop after school. Many successful people continue reading books, listening to podcasts, learning new skills, and improving themselves throughout their lives. They know that personal growth often leads to financial growth. Number 9, they never make emotional financial decisions. Whether it's investing, buying a business, or making a major purchase, they try to rely on facts instead of emotions. They understand that emotional decisions can become expensive mistakes. Number 10, they never say yes to every distraction. Many successful people understand that every yes to a distraction is often a no to an important goal. If something doesn't move them closer to their long-term vision, they simply choose not to give it their time. Before you leave, think back to the very beginning of this video. I told you there were 2 habits that millions of people repeat every single day without realizing how much they can hurt their financial future. Now ask yourself honestly, did you wake up this morning without a clear plan? Did you spend time scrolling through endless short videos before watching this one? Maybe just a few minutes ago you were watching random reels that added nothing to your life. Maybe you even shared a few with your friends and they shared even more back with you. Or maybe you're surrounded by people who constantly complain, make excuses, and tell you why success is impossible. The truth is, these habits don't destroy your future overnight. They quietly steal it one day at a time. Many wealthy people aren't successful because they know some magical secret. They're successful because they consistently avoid the habits that quietly hold so many people back. If today's video helped you recognize even one habit you want to change, don't wait until tomorrow. Start today. Because your financial future isn't built by one big decision. It's built by the small choices you make every single day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which of these 10 habits surprised you the most? And more importantly, which one are you going to stop today?